In this video, we're going to do a overview of using the network tree. The network tree can be used to look at your organization level by level down, or you can also use it to enroll people. I never suggest that you enroll people on the inside of a leg, but if you needed to do that, you can do so. You can also, of course, just use this button here. It says first available position on the left, and if you click that, it's going to go all the way down your left leg, and then you'll see the grayed out position. You can simply click on this grayed out position and it'll bring up a registration form for you to input the person. Then you go all the way back to the top using this scroll to the top, brings you right back up. Now, one thing that a lot of people struggle with is if they see all of these legs filled up, all four, they're not sure how to get down past that. It's very simple to do. All you have to do is click on any one of these particular icons, and it's going to actually put that icon at the top, so then you can see the organization directly under them. And if you needed to, you could keep going down on the right hand side until you begin to see organization. Okay, let's go back to the top. And another thing that you can do on this page, of course, if you hover over any of them, you'll see the country, their level, if they're active, and you can see who the sponsor is. Some of that information is helpful. Of course, they have a legend here of all of the different positions. And then what you can also find is any position using this search box. Now, the search box is very helpful because once you start to type in a username, if you give it a little time and be patient, it'll actually start to pull up all the usernames with that particular text in it. So if you were looking for a position and you had just a little bit of the name, then you'd see that it would come up like this. And so that, of course, helps you drill into an organization, especially as your organization becomes larger and larger and people are difficult to find. But this would give you the opportunity to find that organization and then look into the team there if that's going to help you help somebody else. Let's go back to the top position. And then if we scroll down, we have another video here where we showed that you can get all of your directly sponsored people and the email addresses, so you can collect those and help those people. And that's pretty much it. Now, just while we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at the matching tree. Now, the matching tree is different because it's not showing you a chronological placement of people. It's more showing you the relationship of you to other people. So everyone that is in your first genealogy, let's call them your children, they're all going to show up like that. And then if you want to go down, you would see that you have this is actually a grandchild, torrent 3, and then here you would see this is actually a great-grandchild, and then here you would actually see a number of great-great-grandchildren, and then from there it continues to go on to great-great-great-grandchildren and so on and so forth. So you see, this gives you more of a relationship structure genealogically instead of just the physical relationship of people within the network tree. So this will really help you get an idea how you're doing for matching bonuses and things of that nature. Well, if you have any other questions, make sure you go to the rest of the YouTube channel here, take a look at the videos, or go over to the OneCoinPartners.com website and find our searchable database.